Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to lock your SIM card with SIM pin on your LENOVO Tab E7. First of all, go into Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click Security and Location. Then, in the down menu, click SIM card lock. Then activate your lock SIM card. Enter your SIM pin and confirm. Click OK, and that's it. Now your SIM card is locked your SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.